Mazda's radar cruise control system is part of their Active Sense safety suite, designed to maintain safe following distances automatically. However, many drivers encounter a common warning message that disables the system under 20 miles per hour. The system uses a sophisticated 77 gigahertz millimeter wave radar sensor, typically mounted behind the front grille. This sensor can detect vehicles up to 120 meters ahead and automatically adjusts your vehicle's speed and braking. The 20 mile per hour threshold exists for important safety and technical reasons. At low speeds, the radar system has limitations and requires different sensor inputs, like cameras and ultrasonic sensors, for proper operation. Several factors can trigger this warning message. The most common cause is sensor contamination from road debris, salt, snow, or ice blocking the radar sensor. Electrical connectivity issues and software calibration problems are also frequent culprits. When the system malfunctions, specific error codes help diagnose the problem. Code U0401 indicates invalid data from the radar module, B342 points to sensor circuit issues, and C1A15 signals a general system malfunction. The system is most commonly affected in models from 2017 onwards, including the CX-5, CX-9, Mazda 3, Mazda 6, and CX-30. Understanding these limitations helps drivers know when to expect the warning and why it occurs. The 20 mile per hour limitation exists due to safety protocols, technical constraints, and regulatory compliance. At low speeds, the radar system's effectiveness diminishes, and the vehicle requires input from additional sensors like cameras and ultrasonic detectors for safe operation. Understanding this warning helps drivers recognize that it's often a normal system behavior rather than a serious malfunction. The radar cruise control system is designed to prioritize safety by disabling certain functions when conditions aren't optimal for reliable operation. When your Mazda displays the radar cruise control disabled warning, start with these simple do-it-yourself solutions that can resolve most common issues. First, locate the radar sensor, which is typically positioned behind the Mazda logo on your front grille. This sensor needs a clear, unobstructed view to function properly. Clean the sensor area using mild soap and water, being careful to avoid high-pressure washing, which can damage the sensitive radar components. Remove any ice, snow, or road debris that may be blocking the sensor. If cleaning doesn't resolve the issue, try a system reset by disconnecting your 12-volt battery for 10 to 15 minutes. This clears temporary system errors and recalibrates the radar module. When do-it-yourself solutions don't work, professional diagnostic services become necessary. These require specialized Mazda equipment and trained technicians. Professional diagnosis requires Mazda's specialized MMDS diagnostic equipment. This system can perform sensor alignment checks, which are critical especially after any front-end repairs or accidents. Mazda has released multiple software updates specifically addressing radar cruise control issues. These updates can resolve false warnings and improve system sensitivity, and are available through authorized Mazda service centers. Understanding the costs involved helps you make informed decisions about repairs. Here's what you can expect to pay for different types of service. Do-it-yourself solutions, like cleaning, cost virtually nothing, while professional diagnosis typically runs $100 to $150. Sensor calibration services range from $150 to $300. For more serious issues, sensor calibration can cost up to $300, while complete sensor replacement ranges from $800 to $1,500, including labor. Prevention is always better than repair. Regular maintenance can significantly reduce the likelihood of radar cruise control warnings. Clean your radar sensor every 6 months to reduce warning occurrences by 70%. Always have professional calibration performed after any front-end accidents or repairs, which is 90% effective in resolving alignment-related issues. Following these troubleshooting steps resolves 80% of radar cruise control warnings through cleaning and software updates, making these the most cost-effective first steps for any Mazda owner experiencing this issue.